Entre Institute's core concept is called the broken system. We teach entrepreneurs that in the modern world, there's a convergence of the big education system, the big employment system, and the big retirement system. If you're a professional referral partner, a professional affiliate marketer, you're probably already savvy to this. You didn't want this life. That's why you ended up doing what you're doing. But there is this massive conscription machine that is putting people into a track that starts when a little kid and ends when they're 65. Counting retirement, it really ends the day they die. The vast majority of people are going to be let down by this system. They're going to be overburdened with debt through education. They're going to be undercompensated through employment. And ultimately, retirement is probably an illusion. It is statistically an illusion for most people. Yet this convergence, education, employment, and retirement, is the program that most people are running their entire lives on. But it's broken, it doesn't work. And that's why Entre Institute exists, to teach a different way. If you want to work with entrepreneurs that truly care about you building a successful business online, you have finally found your answer. Get started being thechangelc.com Entre. I can, I will, I must, let's go.